Hi everybody, Paul here. I'd like to show you something that I've been working on for a number of years. Welcome to the world's lightest stainless steel chimney kettle boiler for all of your outdoor hot water needs. Not only is it lightweight, but it's incredibly strong due to its robust ribbing and wire edge construction. It's environmentally friendly, very compact, efficient, streamlined, and nice looking. It's extremely safe and simple to operate, and there are no parts to lose. The boiler should last a lifetime if used correctly. The boiler is ideally suited for all types of outdoor activities such as off-roading, four-wheeling, summer camping, winter camping, hunting, fishing, canoeing, kayaking, river rafting, backpacking, horseback riding, picnicking, snowmobiling, even a day at the beach, as well as for forestry and other outdoor workers. The boiler weighs only 10.0 ounces or 283.5 grams. It's approximately 8 inches tall, 4 inches wide, and has a boiling capacity of up to 16 ounces. The boiler features high-quality food-grade 300 series stainless steel, high-quality neoprene, and high-quality military-grade paracord. The boiler uses things such as twigs, bark, pine cones, and leaves, so there are no expensive fuel costs. An internal chimney is the most efficient way to boil water. Additional wind creates more upward chimney draft, creating faster boil times. Additional fuel can be added by dropping it down the chimney. Because of the boiler's design, it can even be used to turn snow into hot water. The boiler has all fusion welded seams. There is no brazing, no soldering, and no compression locked seams. The bottom intake air holes allow for maximum combustion efficiency with any wind direction. The boiler has a unique 3-in-1 attached pivoting lid system which allows for easy filling, easy pouring, and easy lid locking when it's not in use. The lid has a rolled edge and flared center hole for added strength, which also keeps foreign debris out of the water. Water fill lines are on the inside outer wall, including a 16 ounce for maximum filling. The neoprene outer sleeve allows for safe, easy grip and pour while protecting hands from the hot metal surface. It also blocks wind and helps the water retain heat, creating faster boil times. The boiler cools down quickly once it's removed from the heat source and the hot water is poured out. The boiler can be carried on the inside or on the outside of backpacks as shown here to conserve space. The boiler contains no sharp edges that could harm backpacks or other soft materials. It also creates no noise or rattling during transport and has minimal blackening on the outside for clean storage. The boiler is extremely buoyant due to the neoprene sleeve and will not sink if accidentally dropped into lakes or streams. The boiler has excellent thermal conduction. Boil times are typically 5 to 10 minutes depending on the type of fuel, moisture content of fuel, water temperature, air temperature, and wind conditions. Hot water from stainless steel means no metallic taste with meals or beverages, often associated with aluminum. The boiler makes a pretty good moose caller too. The boiler is not mass produced with robotics or automation, but rather is made by hand, one at a time, using precision machinery and hand tools to maintain a high level of precision and quality control. The boiler is extremely labor intensive and time consuming to fabricate. The boiler is proudly made in the USA. Details of availability and pricing are listed in the description. Thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.